In the heart of rural India, far from the city lights, are communities with immense potential. For years, they have faced a quiet struggle. Access to basic needs like clean water, education, and healthcare was a daily challenge. But what if we could change their reality, one village at a time? With this belief, ServiceNow partnered with Nirman organization to create model villages where every life is empowered. Thanks to ServiceNow's support, over the last 5 years, 17 villages were transformed, touching more than 5,100 lives, particularly vulnerable tribal groups and tribal communities. Through our village adoption program, these communities now have secured livelihoods, better education for their children, and access to essential services. As part of our holistic education initiatives, we transformed government schools and undertook many works, including providing clean drinking water facilities, upgrading playgrounds, painting walls, and renovating toilets. We also conducted adult literacy programs and established computer labs to bridge the digital education gap in remote areas.
Thanks for Nirman organization and ServiceNow. నా పేరు దివ్యన్, నేను 8వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. మాకు నిర్మాణ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుండి మాకు అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు కలిగాయి. అంతకుముందు మాకు ఏమీ లేకుండా మాకు అది వచ్చినప్పటి నుండి దాంట్లో మేము కంప్యూటర్ని కోరాము. కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్ని పంపించారు మరియు మాకు నేర్పించడానికి మేడం కూడా పంపించారు. అప్పటి నుంచి మేము కంప్యూటర్ బాగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాము. మాకు ఇది ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా చాలా ఎంజాయ్ ఉంది.
In a significant move to make affordable, quality healthcare and sanitation a reality in rural and tribal villages, we conducted multi-specialty health camps at the doorstep, constructed community toilets in the villages, and provided more accessible healthcare services. To reduce the distance to access water, we installed bore wells with motorized pipelines, community drinking water tanks and water filters for safe and clean drinking water, rainwater harvesting pits to facilitate water 24/7 for agricultural use. Additionally, we constructed animal water tanks and farm ponds to ensure the well-being of the community. In a significant move, hundreds of solar-powered street lights were installed across the villages, ensuring safety and reducing their dependence on non-renewable sources. Recognizing that basic infrastructure is fundamental to dignity, we constructed dhobi ghats, incinerators, and garbage collection and segregation units. Through Targeted Animal Husbandry Initiative, launched multiple micro-enterprises, distributed livestock, and donated 180 kgs of fishing nets to fishermen communities across many villages, empowering local livelihood opportunities.
This is Anasuya. My father name is Gopal. My mother name is Lakshmibai. My father was a farmer. We started this shop in small way. Now it is very useful for us, our study education mostly. We are 4 sisters and 1 brother. Now they are also continuing their studies and I was completed my 2nd year intermediate. We have developed the many skills of ours in studying education. My father was sending the money because of this process only. Now it's very useful for us to continue our study without any problems. Thank you for Nirman organization ServiceNow. Because of this only we are continuing again our studies.
Thanks to the committed support of ServiceNow volunteers, we have brought lasting change to these villages. As we embark on our 6th year of partnership, we aim to create model villages that drive lasting and inspiring rural transformation. It is about bringing hope and dignity back to those who deserve it most.